Hey, James Nicholson, and in this video, I want to talk about one thing that you must do in business to be successful. Very, very important. Now, I'm going to assume if you're watching a video like this, you're a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, business owner, or someone looking to start a business, right? Is that you? Well, if that is you, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification. I make new content every single day on growing, marketing, and scaling a business. So this channel is going to be a game changer to you. Now, very quickly, my name is James Nicholson. Nice to meet you. And I've been in business now for 17 years. And in that time, I've created something very, very special, which I call my business accelerator methodology. Now, this is a proven 5-step system that will take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers who buy from you again and again and again. And I want to share with you how you can use that too. Now, it's generated millions in sales in my businesses, but not only that, it's generated hundreds of millions in sales in my mentees' businesses as well. So join us on this journey, join us on this channel, which is why I want you to subscribe. Let's show you exactly how you can get this working. Now, here's a secret. This is the one thing that you must do to be successful in business. And that is one thing. Do one thing at a time. You see, so many entrepreneurs and business owners have these huge to-do lists. And you know what happens? Not much. They procrastinate, they get overwhelmed. You need to focus on what is going to take your business to the next level. And just do that. Just do that. The other stuff can wait. Once you've done that, then you can go and do other stuff in your business. Focus on one key thing that you must need to do to grow your business. Now, is that something like learning Facebook ads? But not only learning Facebook ads, is it launching your first Facebook ads? Is it to launch your first Google ads or YouTube campaign? What is the one thing that's going to take your business to the next level? Because so many people are looking for so many options and variety of stuff, and they get excited by a shiny object over here and a shiny object over there. Focus on one thing. That's what I do every day. I have a to-do list of one. That's what gets done. Then if that's done, we can work on other stuff if we have time. But doing one thing properly, effectively, implementing it and getting it working in your business every single day is what's going to take your business to the next level. So it's a short message today, but let me know what you think about that. What do you think about that? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Give me a quick like on the video if you agree. Comment below. Tell me what you think. Also comment below. Tell me who you are. I want to know more about you guys and stuff like that. And look, if you want a bit of a help on growing your business and taking your business to the next level, I want to give you a special invitation to join my Business Growth Club. So in the description is going to be a link. And on that link, you can grab a £1 trial to my Business Growth Club. In there, you'll get access to all my master plans, checklists, and cheat sheets. And they will help you with Google, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It'll help you with launching products. And you get all of that for £1, which is bonkers, right? Not only that, you'll also get access to me mentoring you every single week, holding you accountable. And on top of that, you will join my community of hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners just like you that are on the journey of growing a business too. And it's good to be around people that are on the right path to success. They can give you a lot of shortcuts. So do that now. Go and grab that. Then get back to your to-do list. Take out most of that stuff and do one thing. That's it. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.